Hello everyone, welcome to the brand new video of Memecasm.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Because it's time to watch freshly baked memes and Unplugged's console mid-game. Me 30 years later seeing her on life support. Okay, my turn.
No!
Her. This is my first time. Also her.
Damn, girl.
Memes in my head. Memes when I make them. Every time I face this. When you spend 12 hours a day playing video games but the guy with a job and a healthy social life still plays better than you. The potato I peeled. The potato my mom peeled.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
When you run out of mask but need to wear something to buy more. When you try to send a dick pic and your phone says file too large.
Yeah, boy.
Teenagers in real life. Teenagers on Netflix.
Oh my god! Wow!
My single ass giving relationship advice to my friends. Gets tattoo. Card declines. Tattoo artist.
Why, Dada, why?
This is business!
This is my sweat!
I know, but I did business!
Shut up!
When your shampoo says, repairs damage but you're still broken on the inside. Me. I'm so lucky that my fart was silent. My ass. This is another. Me. Declines YouTube Premium for the 4,269th time. YouTube 1 minute later.
This is torture.
Everyone when COVID is at 1K cases, 10 million cases.
What? What the fuck?
The signal a girl gives me. The signal my teenage brain receives.
Yeah, boy.
Where are you? I'm at gym. Send pic. The gym. COVID vaccine released with 90% efficacy. My sanitizer which can kill 99.99% germs. Thanks for watching. Like the video for more freshly baked memes.